You search for how to buy shares of BayWa Aktiengesellschaft. BayWa is a diversified German company operating in agriculture, energy, and building materials, listed on Xetra with the ticker BYW6.de. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and here we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an official ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BYW6.de to find BayWa Aktiengesellschaft. Select the matching result to open the correct stock listing on Xetra. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Make sure the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker BYW6.de before moving forward. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade is confirmed. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link to the platform.